Hey, Cap.
Oh, hey, what's going on, Zeke?
Got a little personal question.
Well, you know, I'm not just the captain out there. I like to think I'm the captain in here, too.
I think I'm gonna ask Sonny out.
Oh, yeah?
Do you think I have a chance?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got a chance.
I don't know. I feel really queasy about it.
Well, hey, you know, you don't do it today, you'll always regret it.
Yeah, but what if she says no?
Not a chance. Not a chance.
Okay.
You got this.
Hi, Sonny.
Hey, Zeke. Spit it out.
Would you like to go out with me?
So I guess that's a no. Well, hey, you know, there's always next week.
Yeah, Cap. There's always next week.